Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up Metrasens Ultra for semi-divested screening using freeway mode. So, what exactly is freeway mode? It's a screening process that allows individuals to keep their allowed personal items like phones, wallets, or keys with them as they pass through. This is the recommended screening mode for events with clear bag policies and strict guidelines on the items that can be brought into the event. To set up your semi-divestment screening area, you'll need the following: Metrasens Ultra, screening mat, Tenza barrier, and optionally, a screening poster or banner to provide clear instructions for attendees. Now, let's start with the setup. The Metrasens Ultra screening mat has clearly marked spots to guide you on where to place the system. Place Metrasens Ultra on the marked area of the mat. Correct placement is essential for precise detection. Set up a Tenza barrier on the opposite side to create a clear path for people to walk through. Once your screening area is set up, power on Metrasens Ultra. It takes less than a minute to boot up. Once the system is ready, make sure it's set up for freeway mode. Here's how. Go to Settings, select Advanced Settings, choose Screening Mode, select Freeway Mode. Confirm the system sensitivity setting. It should match your event's preset values. Now, you're ready to begin screening. Instruct attendees to hold their personal items just outside the screening zone over the Tenza barrier with one hand as they walk past Metrasens Ultra. This allows the system to focus on detecting any concealed weapons or major threats while maintaining a smooth flow of traffic. When an item is detected, the system will alert you with lighted indicators at the top of the system. Zonal indicator lights will show you the general location of the item on the individual. If an item is detected, direct the individual to a secondary screening area for further inspection. This helps ensure the line keeps moving without compromising safety. At Metrasens, we're dedicated to helping schools create safe and secure environments for every event. If you need support, our team is here to assist.